is how glass bottles are manufactured, an industrial process that transforms raw materials into thousands of units every hour.
Narration style: calm, professional, neutral documentary tone, slow and steady pacing, clear pronunciation, no dramatic emphasis, suitable for industrial documentary viewing. Script: glass bottles begin as simple raw materials, but their transformation into precise, durable containers is the result of a highly controlled industrial process. Inside a modern glass factory, production runs continuously. Every system is designed for consistency, efficiency, and material precision. The process starts with silica sand, limestone, and other mineral components. These raw materials are carefully measured and mixed to achieve the exact chemical composition required for glass production. Once combined, the mixture is fed into a high-temperature furnace. Inside the furnace, the materials melt and fuse together, forming molten glass. At this stage, temperature control is critical, as even small variations can affect the final quality. Molten glass flows steadily through channels toward the forming section. The material is cut into precise portions, known as gobs, each one measured to ensure uniform bottle thickness and strength. These glowing gobs drop into forming molds, where compressed air shapes them into the familiar form of a bottle. The glass expands against the mold walls, creating smooth surfaces and consistent dimensions. After forming, the bottles are still extremely hot. They move onto a controlled cooling system known as the annealing layer. Here, the glass cools gradually to relieve internal stress and prevent cracking. As the bottles exit the annealing process, they appear solid and transparent, but quality control is just beginning. Automated inspection systems examine each bottle. Cameras and sensors check shape, thickness, surface defects, and structural integrity. Bottles that do not meet strict standards are automatically removed from the production line. Approved bottles continue through additional finishing stages. Protective coatings may be applied to improve durability and resistance to abrasion during transport and use. The bottles are then washed and dried, ensuring they are clean and ready for filling. Every step is designed to preserve clarity, strength, and uniformity. From here, bottles are organized and prepared for packaging. Robotic systems handle large volumes with precision, stacking and grouping bottles efficiently. Packaged bottles move through the logistics area, where they are staged for shipment. Pallets are wrapped and labeled for traceability before being loaded onto transport vehicles. Throughout the factory, production continues without interruption. Each section operates as part of a larger system, transforming raw materials into millions of identical glass containers. This process highlights the balance between material science, mechanical precision, and continuous control. At Matera Lab, we document how materials are transformed through real-world industrial systems. From matter to form, this is how glass bottles are manufactured. Subscribe to Matera Lab for more industrial documentaries exploring production systems and material transformation.